Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, as you can see, is going to be another short video exploring some abandoned places and buildings in and around the city of Sarajevo. So today's location is Mount Igman, and the building behind me is what's left of the Igman Hotel. So this place was built in 1984. It was built for the 1984 Winter Olympic Games that were hosted in Sarajevo. This was a prime location for a hotel, to be honest, because of all the things that you have in this region. So you've got some awesome mountaineering tracks, beautiful scenery, beautiful nature. Everywhere you go, it was just a magnificent place to come and enjoy the mountains and the nature and the animals that live here. It was just pristine. So this building, as you can see, has been left abandoned pretty much because of the Bosnian War, when the country of Yugoslavia was basically coming apart, and this building was as you can see, greatly affected. Basically was vandalized. I think it's beyond repair, to be honest. I think it will have to be brought down, and then something else would have to be built on this location. It's a fantastic location to have some sort of a hotel because of where it's built, how high it is, and then with the awesome views of the natural beauty of this mountain, the trees, the fields. It's a proper mountain atmosphere, or not, what do you call it, like a proper like a mountain resort. And it's a shame that this one is basically destroyed, but as far as the location goes for something like a hotel, this would be ideal. So now that this building has been kind of abandoned, it's become kind of like a location for people like me to come and check out. So it's kind of like another monument in a way, that a lot of people have been using to come and take photos and check out and explore. So that's one of those sort of things that sort of brings people here to the mountain, apart from just down the road over there. So in that distance, like maybe like 100 meters, basically we've got parking, and then you've got tracks for tobogganing, you've got some ski tracks, there's a ski lift. So it is a mountain that still people are using for winter activities, but also during summer. This is a fantastic place to come and explore the hiking tracks and things like that, and the nature. So all through the year it can be used for tourism. So quite a lot of people come and enjoy these mountains for those reasons. 1984 Winter Olympics were held here, and now it's basically just become an abandoned place for people to explore and check out, and another reason to come to Mount Igman, either during winter or during summer. So alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there and make my way down to the car, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.